Hi, my name is Creel Hutchinson, and I'm standing here at Baja Biosana, which is located in Baja Sur, Mexico. And in January 2018, I invited Dome Gaia, Hajar and his amazing team to come for a 10-day workshop of creating aircrete domes, as you can see behind me. This process has been underway for us for about 6 weeks. We had about 30 participants show up. I myself don't have previous building experience or very limited, and I was really impressed at the quality of leadership, skill training, and the high caliber of people that attended the workshop, so that we were able to really share ideas. And after 10 days, I felt fully equipped to be able to complete this dome on my own with my team, which was 3 other helpers. We are on the verge of painting this in the next few days. And I just really want to thank Hajar and Dome Gaia for all your magnificent help, your guidance, your support in making this happen for my beautiful fiancée Kristen and myself. This is going to be our guest casita at our beautiful off-grid home here at Biosana. And as you can see, we are in the final stages. And so I just want to give a big shout out. If you're considering attending one of the workshops, here's what to expect. You're going to get 10 days of hard work, great leadership, fun, skill training, so that you're really going to understand how aircrete works and how you can make this low cost, effective, beautiful building technique and integrate it to whatever projects you're looking for. So once again, thank you Hajar and Dome Gaia. And I really look forward to having you back at Biosana in the coming years to do another beautiful workshop. Thank you and have an amazing day.